Today and next week, I'm going to be making recipes that use the power of beets that are super healthy for your heart. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we get together every week in the kitchen. We create delicious, healthy recipes that support you and your loved one's health. Today, we're going to be making heart-healthy beet hummus. Begin by peeling your beets. Chop off both ends first to make it easier. You'll notice that I've got 4 beets instead of 1. That is so that I've got extra to use in salads, smoothies, and other recipes. Chop your beets into about 1-inch chunks and then toss with a little bit of olive oil. I'm using 1½ tablespoons. Spread onto a parchment-lined baking sheet in a single layer and roast in a 400-degree preheated oven for about 30 minutes or until a fork can be easily inserted. Let your beets cool and then measure out 1/2 cup for your hummus. You can store the rest of your beets in the refrigerator for other recipes, or you can place them into a freezer bag for smoothies. So be sure to tune in next week as I'll be making a recipe using some of these frozen beets. Beets can definitely stain your hands and your kitchen equipment. You may choose to use gloves when handling them, and definitely be sure to wash off your kitchen equipment right away. Vinegar and water are a great way to help with the cleanup. Place your chopped beets into a food processor. Beets are excellent for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Pulse a few times to begin breaking them up. Next, we're going to add 1 15-ounce can of drained chickpeas, which are a great plant-based protein. They're also loaded with vitamins and minerals that can help protect your heart. Next, we have 3 tablespoons of either tahini, cashew, or almond butter. 2 to 3 minced up garlic cloves, which may help reduce your blood pressure and cholesterol. My cloves were pretty darn big and I'm using 3, so my hummus is going to be nice and garlicky. 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, which is about 1 medium lemon. 1/2 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This next ingredient is optional. You can add in 1 to 2 scoops of our Clean Source Collagen Powder for an extra boost of skin, joint, bone, and digestive health. Pulse up your ingredients to incorporate them and bring them together. Afterwards, it's a great time to scrape down the sides of your food processor. Now, letting your processor run, slowly pour in 1/4 cup of olive oil. For a thinner consistency, you can add in 1 tablespoon at a time of filtered water until you get it just right. Okay, we are ready to give this beet hummus a try. Do you see how beautiful this is? It is such a gorgeous color. I'm just serving it up with some carrot sticks. This beet hummus is so good. Mine, a little garlicky, but that's okay. I love garlic, so just put in as many cloves as you would like to have. You could also add in some other spices. Maybe some cumin could be delicious, but this is simple as it is. So how do you serve it up? You can serve it with your favorite vegetables, just like these carrots. You could serve it with some pita bread. You could use it as a delicious spread on any of your favorite sandwiches. You could even thin this up a little bit with some more water and turn it into a salad dressing. There are so many options to enjoy this delicious, heart-healthy hummus. Give it a try. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hey, be sure to tune in next week because I'm going to be making another delicious recipe using the power of beets. Take great care of yourself until then. Bye-bye.